In this video, we can talk about top 5 MicroStrategy alternatives. If you're looking for a business intelligence tool and considering MicroStrategy, but would like to explore other options, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 alternatives to MicroStrategy and compare their features to help you make an informed decision. The first alternative is Qlik Sense. Qlik Sense is a powerful data visualization and business intelligence tool that enables users to easily create and share interactive dashboards, reports, and visualizations. It offers features like Smart Search and creates interactive reports and dashboards. The software simplifies data analysis and helps you make informed business decisions faster than ever before. Second one is Looker. Looker is a cloud-based business intelligence tool that helps businesses explore, analyze, and share data insights. Its standout feature is its data modeling layer, which enables users to easily create and manage data models that reflect their business logic. The software also offers advanced collaboration features and integrations with popular data sources and platforms. Third one is Sisense. Sisense is a cloud-based business intelligence and analytics tool that enables users to easily combine and analyze data from multiple sources. It offers features like advanced data visualization capabilities and powerful data modeling. The software's standout feature is its in-chip technology, which allows for fast processing and analysis of large data sets. Fourth one in our list is Inetsoft. Inetsoft is a business intelligence and data analytics software that enables businesses to easily analyze and visualize their data. It offers features like rapid data preparation, researching BI, and big data analytics. The software's standout feature is its style intelligence platform, which enables users to easily create and share interactive dashboards and reports. Fifth one is IBM Cognos Analytics. IBM Cognos Analytics is a business intelligence and analytics software that enables businesses to easily explore, analyze, and share data insights. It offers features like web-based data modeling, interactive dashboards, enterprise reports, data exploration, and prediction. Its standout feature is its natural language processing capabilities, which enable users to easily ask questions and get answers in plain English. Compared to MicroStrategy, Qlik Sense offers a more user-friendly and intuitive interface, while Looker is better suited for data exploration and visualization. Sisense is known for its ability to handle large and complex datasets, while Inetsoft offers a more affordable and customizable BI solution. Finally, IBM Cognos Analytics is a robust and enterprise-level BI software that offers advanced analytics and reporting capabilities. If you're looking for scalable and intuitive BI software with robust data visualization capabilities, we recommend Qlik Sense as the best alternative to MicroStrategy. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.